Hi there, I'm Mrs. English. Today we'll practice 200 sentences together to help you speak with confidence. Listen, repeat, and remember, you can pause anytime. If you find this lesson helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to join our classroom. And don't forget to share this with a friend who is also learning. Ready? Let's begin. I go to music class. Music class is fun. The teacher plays piano. We sing every day. She teaches us songs. Do you like music? The classroom has instruments. I play the guitar. He plays the drums. We learn new songs. The music is beautiful. She sings very well. I practice every week. Music class starts at 10. We sit in chairs. The piano is black. Do you play guitar? I don't play drums. She loves to sing. We clap our hands. The teacher is kind. I bring my notebook. We write the words down. The song is easy. He learns very fast. I practice at home. She plays violin too. The music room is big. We listen to music. I like this song. The teacher shows us notes. We read music together. She explains the rhythm. I count the beats slowly. He taps his foot. We play instruments together. The class is 1 hour. I feel happy here. She teaches us carefully. We sing in a group. The guitar has 6 strings. I hold it correctly. She checks my fingers. We learn a new song today. The melody is simple. I remember the words. He forgets sometimes. We help each other. The teacher smiles at us. I enjoy music class very much. Today we practice a slow song. The teacher plays it first. We listen very carefully to her. I try to copy the notes. She plays the melody again. We sing along with the piano. My voice is getting better now. He sings louder than me. We practice the chorus 3 times. The words are not difficult. I know this song well. She taught it last week. We performed it on Monday. The concert was really good. Parents came to watch us. I felt nervous before singing. My hands were shaking a little, but the performance went well. Everyone clapped for us loudly. I was very proud then. Now we learn a new instrument. The teacher brings small bells. We each get 1 bell. I ring mine gently. The sound is very clear. She shows us the rhythm pattern. We play the bells together. It sounds like a song. I like this activity a lot. Music makes me feel good. Next week we will have a test. I need to practice more. The test is not very hard. We will sing 2 songs. I practice them every evening. My sister listens to me. She says I sound nice. I hope to get good marks. The teacher will grade us. She listens to each student carefully. I am preparing for the test now. My favorite song is about spring. It has beautiful words about flowers. I memorized all the lyrics yesterday. The melody is soft and gentle. I will sing it on Friday. My friend plays piano for me. We practice together after school. She is a very good musician. I want to be like her someday. In music class, we learn about different instruments. The teacher shows us pictures of each one. I see a trumpet in the picture. It is made of shiny gold metal. She explains how to blow into it. The sound is loud and bright. I want to try playing it. Maybe I will learn trumpet next year. For now, I focus on my guitar. I practice scales every single day at home. My fingers are getting stronger from practice. The strings don't hurt my fingers anymore. I can play 5 different songs now. My teacher said I am doing well. She gave me a new song book. It has songs from many different countries. I started learning a French song yesterday. The words are difficult to pronounce correctly, but the melody is very beautiful and peaceful. I will practice it all week long. My classmates are learning different instruments in class. Some students play the flute in our group. Others prefer to play percussion instruments like drums. We make an orchestra together every Thursday. The teacher stands in front of us. She moves her hands to guide us. We watch her hands very carefully always. When she moves fast, we play fast. When she moves slow, we play slow. It is important to watch the teacher. Last month, we performed for the whole school. We played 5 songs in the big hall. I wore my best clothes that special day. My parents sat in the front row. I could see them smiling at me. We started with a quiet, gentle song. Then we played a fast, exciting one. Everyone in the audience loved our music. They clapped loudly after each song we played. I felt so happy and proud then. The music teacher has been teaching for many years. She knows how to help every student learn. When I make a mistake, she is patient. She shows me the correct way again. I never feel bad about making mistakes. She says mistakes help us learn better. I practice the difficult parts many times. She listens and gives me good advice. My playing is improving every single week. I am grateful to have such a teacher. Tomorrow we are going to learn about rhythm. Rhythm is the pattern of sounds in music. We will clap different patterns with our hands. The teacher will show us slow and fast. I think it will be fun to learn. We might use drums in that lesson too. I have never played drums before in class. My friend says drums are easy to play, but I think all instruments need practice. I will try my best in class tomorrow. After music class, I always feel very happy. Music helps me forget about my problems completely. When I play guitar, I don't think about anything else. I just focus on the sounds I create. It is like meditation for my busy mind. My teacher says music is good for everyone. It can make us happy or calm us down. Sometimes we play sad songs in our class. Even sad music can be very beautiful to hear. A music expresses feelings that words sometimes cannot express. I am going to continue music lessons next year. I want to learn more advanced songs and techniques. Maybe I will join the school band eventually. They practice 3 times every week after school. My friend is already in the school band. She says it is challenging but very rewarding. They perform at many different events during the year. I need to practice more before I can join them. But that is my goal for next year now. I will work hard to achieve this goal. Music has become a very important part of my life now. I listen to music every day when I wake up. I practice my guitar for at least 30 minutes daily. My family enjoys listening to me play songs at home. Sometimes we sing together in the living room. It brings our family closer together, I think. My little brother wants to learn music too now. He will start music class next month at school. I will help him practice at home every day. I can teach him what I learned in class. The music teacher changed my life in many positive ways. She taught me that practice and patience are very important. She showed me that everyone can learn to make music. You don't need special talent to enjoy playing music. You just need to love music and practice regularly. I will always remember my first music class clearly. I was nervous but excited to learn something new. Now music class is my favorite subject in school. I look forward to it every single week. I hope everyone tries music class at least once. Great job, you finished today's lesson. You practiced 200 sentences. I am very proud of you. Please write your favorite sentence in the comments below. I want to read them. Subscribe to this channel for more English lessons every day. See you in the next video. Keep practicing. You are doing great. Goodbye.